Michael Loayza here, filmmaker and sometimes chef. Today, I'm not cooking a Bernedoodle, but he just wouldn't stop jumping on me, so I had to give him some attention. Today we're gonna be making, stop. Please stop. Sorry. Off. Composure. It is St. Patrick's Day week, and today we're gonna be making corned beef and cabbage, except with a spin on it. Instead of making your traditional corned beef and cabbage, which is usually sauteed cabbage, some butter, salt, pepper, with potatoes, I'm gonna be making a Napa cabbage salad, Asian style, with a little bit of a soy sauce, maple syrup vinaigrette, some delicious grass-fed US wellness beef, corned beef that is. Everything's all ready to go. It's corned beef because it's preserved. So it's salted, it's seasoned, it's ready to go into the Instapot, pressure cooker, whatever you have. If you don't have a pressure cooker, no biggie. You can put it on the stove top, covered, low and slow for about 3 hours, or even in your oven at 350, depending on your oven, for about 3 hours, covered with a hefty amount of liquids. So this way it steams and gets moist and tenderized and falls apart, and oh my gosh, it's gonna be absolutely delicious. I'm very excited. Let's get started. Ooh, and some boiled potatoes too, because what is St. Patrick's Day without some potatoes? That was a horrible Irish impression. Bailey just won't stop. Okay, so we chopped up our Napa cabbage and our carrots and red onion, and we have our beautiful dressing that we made. This maple soy vinaigrette for our newly inspired St. Patrick's Day meal of corned beef and cabbage. Except, as we know, we did a little Asian twist. So we're gonna mix this, pour it right over our delicious, crunchy, and nutritious Napa cabbage. And we're just gonna toss that together. If you got clean hands, I think it's way easier. Oh my gosh, the sweetness of the maple syrup with the soy sauce. Face clean. I love Napa cabbage because I feel it's much more light opposed to, regular cabbage, green cabbage, or red cabbage. This is so worth making. I can't wait to have the corned beef over it. This is gonna be awesome.
I'm starving.
Forgot an important ingredient in this. You don't have to put it. I like the spice. We like the spice in this house. I'm gonna put some fresh horseradish. Bam! We have our corned beef, nice and ready. We're gonna carve it up and let's do a tasting. So we're gonna do a tasting here of our corned beef and cabbage. One of those potatoes. Let's have the potatoes just fall. Doesn't look like a beautiful dish. Are you excited to try it? I'm excited to try it. You have to make it though. This is grass-fed corned beef, courtesy of US Wellness Meats. It smells euphoric. Oh my gosh. So much flavor in the corned beef. The saltiness and the sweetness with the coleslaw. Let's see how that goes. I'm in heaven. The potatoes melt in your mouth. You're not gonna get a nice brisket corned beef anywhere else besides US Wellness Meats. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
And please check out the newest trailer for our movie, Vaccination. It is so good. It's so fun. I'm excited. It's going to be coming out soon. I'm doing the sound design. It's almost done. It has real topics and it's a horror thriller and it's very entertaining, I feel. And it'll get some, it'll arouse some thoughts. So thank you again for your support. Thank you, US Wellness Meats. Time to eat with the fam. Happy St. Patrick's Day.